Welcome back to Accounting Classroom. In this lecture, we'll learn the methods of pricing material issues, an essential topic in cost accounting that helps determine how materials are valued when issued from stores. In material control, materials are purchased at different times and prices. When these materials are issued to production, we must decide which price to use. That's called material pricing. There are several methods of pricing material issues, but the most common are 1. First in, first out, FIFO. 2. Last in, first out, LIFO. 3. Simple average. 4. Weighted average. 5. Specific identification. Under FIFO, first in, first out, materials purchased first are issued first. This means older stock is used up before newer stock. FIFO gives realistic stock values when prices are rising. Example, let's say 100 units bought at $5, 100 units bought at $6. If 120 units are issued, 100 come from the $5 batch and 20 from the $6 batch. Pros: realistic stock value, simple to apply. Cons: complex when many batches exist. Under LIFO, last in, first out, the most recent materials purchased are issued first. The remaining stock represents older prices. Example, using the same data, 100 units at 5, 100 units at 6. If 120 units are issued, 100 from 6 NIN batch and 20 from 5 batch, closing stock would be $400. Pros: current cost matches current revenue. Cons: stock values may become outdated. Under simple average, you take the average of all purchase prices without considering quantities. Example, if materials were bought at $5.9, $6.9, and $7.9 per unit, average price equals 5 plus 6 times 7 equals $6.9 per unit. Pros: easy to calculate. Cons: ignores quantities purchased. Under weighted average, the issue price considers both prices and quantities of materials in stock. It gives a fair and accurate valuation. Example, 100 units at 95 equals 500. 200 units at 690 equals 1,200. Weighted average equals 1,700 divided by 300 equals 5.67 per unit. Pros: more accurate than simple average. Cons: slightly more complex to compute. In specific identification, each item is traced to its actual cost. This is used for unique or high-value materials, like vehicles, jewelry, or machinery parts. Pros: most accurate. Cons: only suitable for specialized items. Study this comparison summary of each method: first in, first out, last in, first out, simple average, weighted average, with regards to basis, advantages, and disadvantages. In summary, the method you choose depends on the nature of materials and management policy. Once again, the method you choose depends on the nature of materials and management policy, not just choosing randomly. If this lecture helped you, please like and share this video, and do not forget to subscribe to this channel.